So YouTube, so I got a pork tenderloin. I'm gonna wrap it in a crescent roll. I seared it on all 4 sides. There's me just searing it. And then I airbrushed it with some A1 sauce. Guess I could use whatever. You could use like mustard, or the A1 sauce would be cool. Then I got a crescent roll sheet, and I wrapped it, and then I just egg washed it. Egg washed it, and then I'm gonna salt it, and I bake it at 375 for like, I think I did 30 minutes. Or you just gotta kind of watch the pastry part cook. Dang, I didn't realize some of the bacon pieces came off in the meat. That's some like Hawaiian salt or something I had. Those are the biggest salt I had, but you can use like kosher salt or any kind of bigger salt to have that pretzel taste to it. And there my baby goes in the oven. And that's how it came out when it baked. And there it is. It's glory. It's almost like a beef Wellington, but it's different.